with Rachel behind the gun, and we're changing plans a little bit this morning. As you can see, it's snowing pretty good, and we had put a bird to bed last night, and we were just going to set up on him, but with the snow and the camera gear and that, we decided we're going to go sit in a tent that's not too far from where he roosted, but change our plans a little bit, so we'll have to adjust for that. But it should be a good morning. If the snow lets up, see what happens. Rachel's ready to go. We got some gobbling. It sounds like 3 or 4 different birds in there. They're pretty good ways in roosted, which is good. We didn't spook any off the roost. They're gobbling pretty good, so hopefully they're fired up despite the snow. Get him, shoot. Shoot.
It's not, it's jammed.
Shoot. Shoot him. Get him, shoot him. Come on. Shoot him.
I'm not shooting again.
Nope.
I rushed it.
Okay, so as you just seen, we had 2 toms come in absolutely perfect for what you could want. The shot didn't go quite as perfect. You can see back here is the blind and the decoys. And after she shot, they ran down this edge, and I was watching, and I could see one was lagging behind. So I grabbed the binoculars and I watched him, and I seen him go into this tree line, and I didn't see him come out the edge. So we quick got out, we came up here, we just left the camera in the blind, and as we were coming up, Rachel spotted something moving in the grass, and I don't know where she hit it, but he was bleeding all over the place. And this is where he was first, the feathers and the blood, and he flopped around and he died right there. So Miss Rachel got herself a tom. So let's go check it out. You can see all the blood. His head is all bloody, so I'm not sure how he made it this far. Yeah, he's dead. Grab him up and take a look at him. Oh, he's got pretty nice spurs, huh? Ooh, big paintbrush, wow.
Big one.
That's nice. Pretty nice spurs, huh?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Not bad.
I said, kind of gruesome. I don't know how he made it this far. Your shot was just off just a little bit. Get this set up here. Get a good look at him. I like the white feathers in there.
Yep,
see that?
white feathers in the middle.
Very pretty. Let's back up. Oh, there it is. Quick hunt for opening morning.
Yeah.
April 21st. What time is it? 6:07.
6:07.
Bird was dead by 6, I'd say.
Yep.
Like I said, I don't know where, like, you shot him in the head, so I don't know if your shot was just off a little bit that he was able to make it that far. I've never seen that, but it was a good thing we were able to watch him, because he made it probably 200 yards. 200 yards from where the blind is. But we had a lot of birds gobbling. It was nice. Nice hearing them, even though the snow, I was kind of worried the snow was going to have them shut down, but 2 of them come charging right in. Pretty awesome, wasn't it?
Pretty awesome. Thanks to the master caller here.
Oh, yeah.
Brought him right in.
It was a fun morning. I always have fun hunting with you. Good job.
Thank you.
Congratulations.